Hey guys, welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. Today we are decorating for fall. I've got easy cleaning tips and tricks, and you don't even have to ask. Everything you see in this video was found at Walmart. And today's video is sponsored by Walmart Plus. I've got recipe ideas for you. We are jumping right in. Let's do it. Consider this a video from a friend. 12 easy ways to feel luxury on a budget. And first, what we've all been talking about on Instagram recently, I've gotten so many DMs about our bedding. It can be really challenging, especially as the season gets cooler, to find really affordable sheets and blankets. These are super highly rated. They're sheet sets, they're bedding sets. It all comes in a big pack, including the shams. I just love this one, and the price is great for a king set. The pillows are also really affordable too, a super quick way to dress up a space. I also love the lamps. They're assemble yourself and very high quality, also really affordable. And I don't buy new decor every year. I really limit myself to just one bin, but what helps it feel new is by putting it in different places of the house every year I take it out. I love these garlands and decided to put them on our fireplace this year. I also really love the twinkle lights that are on a timer. I love these pillows. They are under $10, which is insane for how big this is. And I think I actually like the blue one better here. I love this look. And I wanted to warm up this space a little bit. So I pulled some art from another spot of the house, and then I have got the sticky strips on the back so I can change this out easily. It's so much fun to change up things around your house like that. And you guys know I recently made a video of all of my favorite cleaning products from Walmart. I really love their plug-in diffusers. This one is brand new and under $5. And to my grocery order, I add the diffuser oil. It's also the Better Homes and Gardens line. It smells great and is so affordable. And don't forget about you too. There's a couple of additional things I wanted to share. Love how this room came together. It is so cozy, and this looks so pretty up here, just super simple. It's been a minute since I've shared a haul with you, and these are two of my favorite things for fall. And the first is this Time and True jean jacket. It is under $20. And I really love the ponchos. And I love how I can use my Walmart Plus membership to get these shipped to me fast, so I don't even have to go in store. These are two of my favorite staples. I love those simple ways to feel good on a budget. And honestly, this season starts to get really hectic for us, but one thing that I really love is every year we make it a point as a family to go to the pumpkin patch and pick out our pumpkins. And this is why I genuinely love having a Walmart Plus membership. I get free same-day delivery of fresh, high-quality groceries, and I can place the order on the car ride over from my phone.
Where you go,
I'm picking this one. This one looks the best.
That one's really cool. I love that the kids get to pick out the exact pumpkins and gourds that they want, even if they're not necessarily ones that I would choose. It's a really fun family memory.
And I can kill you easily. I love my pumpkin because it's like nice and round. It has a short stem, so it won't snap off.
I posted this on my community page. Oh, Owen and his gourd. Another way to feel luxury, instead of having fresh flowers every week, I love that gourds dress up a space. I put them in this pretty wooden bowl along with a candle. I love the way this turned out. And the same day, my Walmart Plus order arrived. It's the same everyday low prices as in store, with tons of fresh and organic ingredients that are all hand selected. Plus, in addition to food, you can get cleaning products, which I do every single week, and those diffusers that I showed you before are all available. I save a lot of time having somebody else shop for me, and it allows me when I'm shopping to remember to do some of those fun and special things with the kids. I decided to pick up some vanilla chocolate chips. This is one of those crafts that even if you aren't that crafty, no matter what, it's gonna turn out great. So basically what you do is the ghosts come out, and then you find where the little hole is in his face, and you put 2 eyeballs in like that. 1, 2, and then we have a little screaming ghost, okay? Do you see it? For some reason, it's so funny when the eyes go on. You can also color it with food coloring to make little jack-o'-lanterns or pumpkins. I promise you can't mess this one up. It is so much fun, and the kids really love this one. And don't worry, I'm not gonna forget about you. Any other coffee lovers out there who are obsessed with pumpkin creamers? Yep, I see you, friend. This is my coffee station and I have to show you this. And my splurge this year, and really it's not even a splurge, you can get them for under 30 bucks, are milk frothers. This is gonna make your coffee taste like it came from a barista. I love mine. I also really love these stainless steel travel mugs that look like wood. They are super affordable and they fit hot and cold liquid too. These are great to take to soccer games. Up next, we're making food for later, some super easy chicken marinades. You've got to give these a try. I'll be sure to link them down below. I picked up the chicken from my Walmart Plus order, and from Walmart, I also picked up recently a food saver. This prevents your food from getting freezer burned, so you can stick it in with the marinade. It comes out good every time, not a lot of work, and a huge payout. When you're working with the food saver and you add liquid, just add a little bit of paper towel to the bag, and that way you can suck out the air. Or you can pre-freeze for a short time to kind of congeal some of the liquid, so that way it's a lot easier to work with in the food saver. But I'm gonna link both of these marinades below. There's a honey Dijon and a savory chicken, and I love them. They are so good. Prepare these in bulk and have them at the ready, especially once you have all the spices on hand. It's so easy to replicate. But if you are running short on time, my friend, try this rotisserie chicken hack. Take it off of the bone and then add your favorite barbecue sauce. The Walmart brand is really, really good. And then I do a homemade coleslaw. I love the lemons and the mayonnaise. I will link my favorite recipe down below. There's no point in me saying it. You want to read it anyway. And I love the coleslaw packs. They are super fresh. I mix everything up, and don't forget to toast your buns. That makes a difference. And you have a delicious barbecue dinner that you literally made in about 5 minutes. I love this trick, especially if you have leftover lemon rinds. All you need is some vinegar and an ice cube tray, and we're going to make garbage disposal cleaners. This is so easy. And then I just put these in a gallon freezer bag, and I am ready to clean my sink once a week. I put 2 of these in the garbage disposal along with a little bit of baking soda. It will smell so fresh. And there is a sink cleaner that I am going to link down below for you. It is a paste. I actually saw this initially on TikTok, and it works so well. Think about all the times we've cleaned my sink together. I thought my sink was clean. Turns out it wasn't. This stuff is the bomb. Be sure to check it out. I also want to say how much it means to me that you choose to hang out with me every single week. Thank you so, so much for being here. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a big thumbs up. I'm gonna have a link to the Walmart Plus membership in my description box below. I am so grateful to them for sponsoring today's video and being so supportive of my channel. If nobody has told you today, you, my friend, are enough, and I cannot wait to catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
By the way, that's my shirt.
That's why we have pillows.